I think the best thing about university is just the opportunities that are available and the change of lifestyle. It's such a completely different lifestyle to what it is at home, and you never know what's going to happen in terms of course, societies, where you're going to live. It's unpredictable, but at the same time it's so exciting and fun to get involved in.
University is so good for me because you get to try so many different new things, and all whilst being really close to your best friends. I live 2-minute walk away from all my best friends, and I'm getting to study a course that I'm really interested in and try loads of things on the side at the same time, and it's just fantastic.
Because you have the freedom and independence really as a student, you're living on your own, you've got to manage your own finances for the first time ever, cooking, cleaning, washing all your clothes and everything, small things, but that along with independent study all means you really have to sort of grow as a person.
The freedom, coming away from home, for me, yeah, I love being able to make my own decisions. In A-level you choose a subject but you're still doing what they want you to do, whereas now you can sort of tailor your courses more towards what you like, and then out of university you're doing what you want to do, eating what you want to eat, so that kind of thing, yeah.
Having the opportunity for me to become me. At university I've had the opportunity to really think about the type of person that I want to become, and I've got the freedom to do that, sort of in school and sort of, when you're living at home and all those things, you're sort of restricted in what you can do. But at university I've really been able to sort of think, what person do I want to be, and then work towards becoming that person.
Really that's your opportunity to become an adult almost, or to take the steps in between on your way, and that's what I found is one of the best things, as well as making as many friends as I have and it being such a great place.
I enjoyed meeting people from all kinds of backgrounds. It was really good to learn from other people and their experiences, and you're all in it together, which is great.